Hello everyone, I'm Anika. My topic is electrical tongue and nose, a revolution in food quality testing. The electronic tongue and nose are advanced biometric devices designed to replicate the human senses of taste and smell. Traditional methods of food analysis rely heavily on human sensory panels and laboratory-based chemical tests, which are often time-consuming. In contrast, electronic systems provide standardized results, automated testing, and real-time monitoring, making them ideal for applications in quality control, freshness detection, and adulteration analysis across the food industry. The electrical tongue is a device which is used in food science to analyze the taste and flavor of food and beverages. It works by measuring the electrical conductivity, impedance, and capacitance of a food or beverage sample. This technology allows for the rapid and non-invasive analysis of food and beverages as it does not require human taste testers. Instead, the electrical tongue provides a numerical representation of the taste and flavor of the sample. Technology behind the electrical tongue is that it involves the measurement of electrical properties of food or beverage sample. The electrical tongue typically consists of a sensor array, which is placed in contact with the food or beverage sample. Human tongue functions in sensing taste buds. These are the tiny structures on the tongue containing taste receptor cells. Then receptor cells detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, bitter, and all. Taste pores opening where dissolved taste compounds reach receptor cells. Binding, these compounds bind to receptors activating specific cells. Neural signals, activated cells send signals to the brain via cranial nerves. Brain processing, the gustatory cortex interprets these signals. Taste perception, the brain combines signals to perceive flavor. This is a map of a human tongue with taste bud sections: bitter, sour, and salty, sweet. The electronic nose, also known as electrical nose, is a technology used in food science for the analysis and characterization of food and beverages, aroma, and flavors. It typically consists of a sensor area that is capable of detecting and quantifying the volatile organic compounds in food. Technology behind is the sensors in the electrical nose work by measuring the changes in the electrical resistance or capacitance that occur when the sensors are exposed to volatile organic compounds. Each sensor in the array is designed to respond to a specific range of volatile organic compounds, and the combination of signals from all the sensors allows for the analysis of the overall aroma and flavor profile of a sample. How the human nose senses different aromas. Olfactory epithelium, located high in the nasal cavity, it contains the olfactory receptor cells. Receptor cells and cilia. These cells have a cilia with receptors that detect the odor and molecules. Scents come from airborne molecules released by substances like food or flowers. Detection. Odorants dissolve in nasal mucus and bind to receptors on cilia. Signal transduction. Binding triggers electrical signals in the receptor cells. Olfactory bulb. Signals travel via nerves to the olfactory bulb, which processes and relays them. Brain interpretation. The brain interprets signal patterns, allowing us to recognize different smells. This is the figure of comparing the sensing process of human nose and electronic nose. So, advantages of the electronic nose and tongue is that non-invasive, no need for human testers, reducing contamination risk. High throughput, quickly analyzes many samples, ideal for industry use. Objective is provide numerical data for consistent and unbiased results. It is cost effective, also more affordable. Then disadvantages are limited scope, can't fully replicate the human sensory experience. Early stage, it is still under development, more research is needed for this. Sensitive to conditions, results affected by temperature, humidity, etc. Calibration needed, requires frequent calibration for accuracy. Thank you.